Streax Canvo line shampoo and conditioner is best shampoo and conditioner for hair care. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Streax Canvo line shampoo and conditioner is crafted to give extensive care to your newly straightened hair. It gives the special care that straightened hair need for retaining that salon straight look. Canvoline Straightening Post-Care Conditioner is formulated with Kera-Charge that aids in hair nourishment, Baobab Oil that moisturizes hair and scalp, Shea Butter that helps in taming frizz hair, and Ceramide Mimic Molecules that help prevent hair breakage and split ends. Hair shine is often the visual indicator of the hair health. Streax Canvo line conditioner retains the shine of your straightened hair by protecting it from dullness. Canvoline Straightening Post-Care Shampoo is formulated with Kera-Charge Complex that aids in hair nourishment, Baobab Oil that helps moisturize hair and scalp, and Ceramide Mimic Molecules that help prevent hair breakage and split ends. Streax Canvo line shampoo, enriched with Shea Butter and Baobab Oil, helps retain softness of hair. Streax Canvo line shampoo and conditioner is best shampoo and conditioner for hair care. This best shampoo and conditioner for hair care protects the straightened hair from breakage and does not reduce the tensile strength of your hair. Streax Professional blends international technology with an in-depth understanding of Indian women's evolving needs. An expert hair care brand, it is a smart choice for Indian stylists and consumers, and these products are uniquely suited to Indian hair types. Its expert range of products infuse style and sophistication into every strand of your hair. The new Streax Canvo line shampoo and conditioner is enriched with Kera-Charge Complex that is blend of hydrolyzed proteins and conditioning agents. It helps in nourishing your hair. It aids in nourishing your hair. This best shampoo and conditioner for hair care is suitable for straight hair and keeps your hair shiny without tangle and grate. Streax Canvo line shampoo and conditioner is best shampoo and conditioner for hair care. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.